Welcome back to Donkey Kong Country 2. Testing levels, testing levels. Alright, so, we're on a hot streak from streams, so, well, except for Pokemon. We had some pretty good hunts, Monster Hunter. We did the final boss of Revengeance, Blade Wolf, and now we're going to try and get to the final few levels of Donkey Kong Country 2. I don't think we'll beat King K. Rool tonight, but I'm hoping we can beat at least Screech's Sprint and the final bonus level, and then next stream will be the final two levels, which are the boss battles. So let's get into it. I have to remember how to play this game. Alright, that's the good thing about this, is that there's a coin right at the beginning. And there's this guy, yep. There's another one. Yep. Pick that up, because eventually he does. Alright, let's go. Doing good so far. Ooh, yeah, I forgot about you, huh? Yoink. Alright, grab the bananas. Why not? Okay, got hit. Well. It always starts out like this, doesn't it? Hopefully everyone's having a good day. If you're watching on VODs, I appreciate it. Here we go. Yoink. I don't know why I'm saying yoink like I'm taking something from him. I'm just avoiding him. Alright, I think I might have killed two of them there. Why did I do that? I always get too afraid that I'm gonna hit like the back part of the spikes. Damn. Alright, well, we've gotten 3 coins now. Unfortunately, they don't really mean much. Aside from saving. And if we're not making progress, not really a point. Okay, I saved myself out there. This is a bad run. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I need to prioritize to be better with him in the air. It's hard because I gotta trust the game not to screw me with the spike hitbox because I don't know where it is. Yeet. Here we go. See, like that made me think I was gonna get hit, but I didn't, so it's okay. Oh, here we go. Now, there we go. I'm gonna do it when he comes back. There we go. Okay, see, then that's what I'm most worried about, is not getting far enough. It has to be a perfect jump, man, it's crazy. I could probably throw them over, huh? Okay. Alright, so far so good. Not good anymore. Okay, well. That was a bad start. That's a really bad start. Okay, that's fine. Let's get back into it. Alright. Yep, we do this. Hooray! Jam out, yep. We need 2 more bonus coins. Which are likely in here to get to the final level. The final bonus level. So we have to beat Screech's Sprint, not Squawk's Sprint, I guess. Screech is the the opposing bird that we have to race. Alright, well, I'm gonna try it with Dixie. Okay. Oh god, that was a risk. Okay. Like right here. Jump. Good. There we go. Alright, let's try it with Dixie again. Oh, barely. Alright, now, I'm pretty sure Dixie is slower than Diddy. I'm not going up there because it's just a coin. Jump over him. Jump. Nope, I'm dead. No, I'm not. Thanks, guys. Whew. Alright, now we just run up because they're birds. Okay, good. As we're having Dixie comes in handy. Let's do that. There is a secret up there. We're gonna try it once. Okay. The other thing about this level is because it is what you call it. Okay, I got hit. Because we don't have the save point yet, none of the things save unless we actually beat the level. So I'm just gonna try and get through the level, and then we'll worry about the secrets second, because we can always just get the secret and then die. It doesn't really matter. I gotta remember. Grab these. I don't remember that. I don't remember the route. I got hit. I always forget about that bee. Okay, okay. I have a better idea of the route now. The second half of this level is just beating the bird, so we just gotta be good at the game. Alright, that was not good at the game. Oh no, that was so bad. Why did I do that? Okay. It's gonna be a tough one. Okay. Though we should maybe get another life here. I don't know how many bananas are here. Close. Down. Up. We avoid the bee. We avoid those bees. I don't remember what's up here. There. Oh, it's catching up. Oh, I went too fast. No. Huh. Damn. Alright. Monkey time. Hello, Kenmac. How are you? Oh, Squawks. This is where you have to make up time because you're not good at the other parts. Oh, God. Going a little too fast there, Squawks. You're doing good. He didn't shoot. Oh my god. Damn. We were doing so good. He wasn't even near us. Oh my god. That was such a good run. Okay. We're gonna get an extra life here, which is good. There is a save point right after this level. Okay, we need like 2 more bananas. Okay, now we have a life. Mash like your life depends on it, bird. Oh my god. That was bad. That was not a good time. Ugh. Okay, we're doing good. Oh, you little bastard. No! How close are we? Ugh. I feel like we were so close. Damn. Okay, so I had to go, like, that way. Got it. Oh, that's so tough. Ugh. No! I just want to. I was gonna see where the DK. No, I was. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. I thought I was 2 coins away, or 2 bananas away from getting a life, but we get another shot here. Ah, damn. This shit is tough. Oh my god. How you doing, Kenny Mac? Hope you're doing good. I was just playing Monster Hunter before this. Got my hands on a. Whoa! That was what the hell? I did like a Saquon Barkley move with the backwards. Okay. Um, I was gonna say I got my hands on a Beetlejuice gem so I can get the earplugs 2 charm. And I'm trying to get earplugs 5 at the end of this because I hate having monsters interrupt me. It's like my biggest pet peeve. Aside from getting like stunned, which I'm also gonna work on that. Huh? Okay, we're good. Why'd I do it? Why'd I do it? Oh. I bet I can. I know I can beat this stupid bird. 88%. We're so close to the. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. We're so close to the end. Can't tell if it's just me, but it's a bit laggy. Is it? On my thing, everything seems good, but obviously it would. Wi-Fi is good. Let me do that, and then okay, maybe appreciate it. I don't know why it would be like that. All right. Okay, we got our coin in case we do actually do this. The strat is going to be to try and beat this with more than 1 life left. That way we can just run in, get a coin to save, and then die. I mean, obviously we'll try and get like a secret or 2 while we're here, but... Oh god, okay. No, I went too early. Oh. Damn it. I need to be Diddy. I need to be Diddy, because Diddy's faster on the vines. Yeah, perfect. I didn't get that, that's alright. He didn't jump. I didn't hit jump, I guess. Come on. Right on it, otherwise he becomes a thing. There we go. Okay. Yeah, he's so much faster than Dixie. It's crazy. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Oh, come on. What was that, bro? Oh my goodness. Go here. Go here. Jump. There we go. Why did he... I meant to jump down. Oh my god, dude, you're killing me. Yeet. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright, now hold down and then jump. There you go. I'm gonna beat Dixie for this, actually. Up, 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 up. Nice. And now we can kill him. Jump over him. Jump. Okay, good. Alright, we need Dixie for this part anyway. Here we go. We're not going to try the secret because it doesn't help us. Oh my god. Alright, we're going to have to go far if we want to get an extra life to try this even one more time. This music doesn't help either. I want the calming serenades of Sticker Rush Symphony, not this. Come on. Another life, that's good. Up, then over. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe it. They didn't kill me for that. Did I win? I won! Oh my god. Hey, bro. El Primito, welcome to the chat. Wait, I didn't get enough lives, did I? No, I got a life. Right? Okay, I can save here. I think. Yes! Oh, that's so good. Okay, we're saving game. Let's go! We did it. We beat the game. Well, we didn't beat the game. We beat that level. Now we can go back and get the DK coin, get the 2 secrets, and then do the other secret level. So now it's a lot less stressful. I mean, I still have to get to that point, but okay. I don't have to worry about dying as much. So, Primito, if you've never been here before, we're doing DKC2 The Harder Way. So anytime I get hit, I have to die, start over either from the checkpoint or from the beginning of the level. We're doing 100% as well, so we're at 89% as of now. We've gotten everything except for the secrets on this level, one of the bonus levels, and then the 2 boss fights at the end of the game. To my knowledge. I don't think there's anything else that I missed, but we're gonna find out. Jump. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're almost out of lives here, so if we mess this up, it's fine. Though it would be nice to not have to... If I can get that secret done, then that would mean jump. Jump. I'm dead. No, I'm not. Thanks, guys. Alright. Now this sucks, because usually I like to have Dixie for this part. Okay, we're gonna have Dixie for this part. Alright, now we throw him up there. What? Alright, well, whatever. We saved the game. Doesn't matter. It sucks, though, because we're going to have to farm coins back, but what are you going to do? Now that we don't have to worry about winning the race, we can just explore the sticker brush, you know? Because even if you die, you save your progress on the level, on the secrets of the level, so For example, if on this run-through I get that secret and I complete it, and then I die and I don't finish the level successfully, it still counts. I get a save and that'll be it. We're missing 2 secrets and a DK coin. I know where the DK coin is already. I just have to get it. I know where one of the secrets is. I do not know where the other one is. But I imagine it's in the sticker brush section of the map, which is the whole map, but like the race part. Do I go for this? That was risky. I should not have gone for that, but I'm glad I did. We're gonna go for Dixie here. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. What? Oh, you little punks. Oh, I hate that part so much. And you can't cycle through them. It's alright, I have a plan this time. We're gonna try and bait that one. Alright. We're gonna try and do what we do this guy to those. Okay. Forgot to cartwheel. Forgot to cartwheel. Okay, gotta focus. Gotta focus. Here we go. Boing boing. Yeet. Alright. I believe in Dixie. She did it. We are gonna switch to Diddy before this part though, because it's way harder with Dixie. Okay. He has better air movement, despite the fact that she can float with her hair. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Oh, wait, forgot. Oh. For some reason, oh, it's if you jump onto him, he throws you, right? It's not if you jump in, if you hit him on the side. Okay. Come on, bro. I'm just trying to get the secrets in this level. I can't believe I actually won. I was not expecting to be done with the race that soon. I mean, it is a main level. Like, it's not like a bonus world level, but it is the last level before the final boss of the game, so. Okay. Alright. Now? Okay, jump down. Yep. That respawn rate is insane. He was off screen for like 0.2 seconds. Oh, okay, so that doesn't work. God, I hate those guys. Usually I didn't have a problem with them when we did our winning run. And now, even if I do the secret, I've survived long enough to get a life so I can die and save that I got the secret. Alright, we killed 2 of them. Alright, so those guys don't respawn. Oh no, I didn't mean to have Dixie out here. Okay, that's fine. Barely. Barely. I'm gonna try jumping into him right here. That's probably death. No, it's not. Alright, he's dead. I can jump over this guy and just run. Yeah, okay. How many bananas do we need? We need to get to... Okay. We got this secret. We gotta do it right. That's something else, too. Oh, we get bananas on this. Pretty sure it's a drop here, but I'm not positive. It is, okay. Alright, got a life. Good. Got it. Woo! Okay. Now I guess the plan is to go forward and try and get the DK coin. So what is up there is what I want to know. If I play squash, can I go up there? Oh, it's just a secret coin. Okay. That's cool, but... Alright, Screech, you can have this one, bro. I'm not even trying at this point. Alright, that's bananas. That's bananas. That's the K. Oh my god. Wow. I did not know that existed. That would have made this a lot easier. Well, would it have? I don't know, because now he's... I guess I am going slow here, but... Let me get the DK coin at least, come on. Alright, DK coin acquired. Alright, now it's a search for secrets, huh? This is fun because I don't actually have to worry about the race. Jeez, I could also... Oh, he beat me. Okay, so you do die when you finish second. That's okay. Oh, we got everything. Oh, perfect. Okay, so we'll save. Hello. Save game. We have 14. Which means we must get one for beating K. Rool. We need to beat K. Rool? Well, I saved the game, we have 0. We have... All these coins are going to go away, so what we'll do is check every level. Well, we don't actually need to, do we? It just tells us there. No, we've done everything. It must be from K. Rool. Alright. Guess we're fighting K. Rool. The K. Rool duel. There he is. Eat that, bro. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Kinda forgot how this fight goes, I'm not gonna lie. Right, he's gonna probably shoot another one of these things. Okay. Alright. Not doing so bad. Too bad so far. Yeah, he ain't actually dead. We know this. Eventually, he starts shooting them a lot like this. Okay, there's one. Alright. There's a wind thing that he does. Oh my god! No! Oh my god. I gotta... He got me. Ah, damn. That was a good run, though. That was a good run. I think we could definitely do this. Alright, who do we have out? Jump over him. There. Yeah, they do get faster, huh? Okay, now he's gonna shoot that. Yep. Here we go. He's gonna shoot 2. This one should... Oh, it's this one. So it changes, huh? Interesting. He's not dead. Yep. Now he's gonna start with this shit. Alright. Okay. Farthest we've ever made it. Woo! Alright, now what? I think there's 9 hits. I think you have to hit him 9 times. Oh, it's this shit. No! The old one hit me. No! Oh my god. I'm just curious if that was the last hit. Okay, rule take. Nine hits. Okay, so we were at... That was our 6th hit, so... okay. At least it doesn't make us watch him cap. I forgot about him. I thought he was just gonna start sucking right away. I forgot. Okay. So it's 9 hits. We got this. Got this. Jump. Yeet. Ooh. I love his expressions. Okay. He's not dead. Right. Sorry for the lack of commentary. I'm focusing. Alright. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay, now it's gonna be windy ones. Alright, here we go. Right. No, he's still not dead. Alright, now what? That's right, I forgot about those. Oh, he goes invisible! Oh my god, I forgot. Damn, bro. What the hell? Forgot about that. Okay, yeah, he goes invisible. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Probably gonna use Dixie for the majority of this fight. Just because I can buffer with her. Alright. He said, what? K-Rool is so cool. He's a son of a bitch, but I love him. There we go. Whew, that was close. Alright, itch my nose. Alright, here we go. Alright. Still not dead. Okay, here we go. Gonna go slowly. Now he's gonna turn into a ghost. Now he goes invisible. Now I don't know what happens. More hit. Oh, that's right. They reverse your controls if you get hit by that. Oh my god, dude. How was that? We were so close. Oh, damn. That hurts. That hurts my soul. Get out of here, bro. Okay. Now we got this. We so got this. That was abysmal. Oh my god. No, it's okay. In one game over, we got to the last hit. Alright. Come on, K-Rool duel. Here we go. You get to see him torturing DK a little bit. Alright. Okay. Yeet. Okay. You know that thing, like, when you're so used to the boss going super fast and you fight him at the beginning again and he's slow? That's what I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm anticipating to be, like, sucked into that thing really quickly. Alright. Now, we get the bullet hell. We got this. Got it. Yeet. Okay. Jump. Got it. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright. Okay. Now it's spinnies. Right. Okay. He's not dead yet. Yep, now he's gonna go... There we go. Yep, now he turns into a ghost. Now he's invisible. How he turns into a ghost, I have no idea. Alright, good. Okay. That one's pretty easy, honestly. Alright. Here comes the bullshit. I don't even know how I dodged this. What? Where's the... Oh, I guess I have to not get hit by it? Or do I... Oh, no, I just run away from it. That's right. I just run away. And I have to run away from him. Okay, that's right. Alright. Oh, great. Now I'm stuck with this guy. Alright. Just for the first throw, then we'll switch. Sorry, Diddy, but I know this is your conquest, but I need Dixie for this. Alright. Woo! Come on, then. Alright, yeet. No. Okay, here we go. Yep, jump over that. We forgot, okay. Here we go. Yeet, okay. Alright. Now it's Windy Boys. Go. Still not dead yet. Okay. Alright. Half ghost, full ghost. Alright. Heat. Okay. Here comes the easy one. Easy with Dixie, I guess. Alright. Alright, here we go. No! I can see him. So you just have to keep running. Okay, damn. Damn. Okay. I feel like if I can get through without getting hit by those little things, then I'll be good. Alright, Dixie. Oh god. Forgot. I always forget. Like, what the first few hits are. Here we go. Okay. He said, doot. I guess that would have happened if you shot a cannonball back into a cannon. Alright, come on then. Come on, you coward. Alright. Bullshit. Can't believe I dodged all that just for the barrel to hit me. Hi, Sunday. We are one hit away. We are not... We're gonna get it. This is a very hard game. So is this one now? It used to be the... There was that one time when it was the close one. Alright. Yep. Here we go. I do love this song. Alright, here we go. You won't get me with that stupid barrel. Ken. I think this is the first time I've been hit by that. That attack, like the spike balls themselves in that phase. Damn. Hope you enjoyed your taunting, Diddy, because that's all you're gonna get. Holy shit. I always forget. This one again. Alright. I wonder if it's always only for when you're closer to. Who knows? Who knows? Here we go. Jump. Come on. I hate that he does that slow one in the beginning because it throws off my momentum. I also like that it's the same noise as when you throw it in the cannon for the bonus levels. It is very satisfying noise. Don't freak out. Done this plenty of times before. There you go, see? Alright. Who that? You boys. Alright. Okay. Right now we do slow boy, yep, then ghost. Here we go. Ah, alright. It's an easy one. Alright, last one. Come on, you. Wait, I have an idea. Didn't work. Didn't work. No, I was jumping away from you. Oh my god. I think that strat, though, of throwing him over them will work. I think that could work. What could I have done different? Could I have thrown him diagonally? I don't think that would have worked, though. I think I would have to, like, jump halfway over them and then throw him. That's what I'm gonna try. He said, ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright. That's a little risky. Alright, now we wait for him to cross over here. God, he does. I forgot he doesn't cross over. He just does it. It's alright. It's gonna be this one. No, it's this one this time. So it really is random. Alright. Flip of the coin. Come on. Go. Yeet. See Dixie Moonwalk on him for a second there. Alright, here we go. Why is it that the barrel is the scariest obstacle for Dixie? Alright. Okay. No! I knew she was gonna roll into it. Oh, god damn it. Why'd you roll into it, Dixie? I was just trying to hold the front button. Oh, come on then. Alright. This one again. Okay. Excuse me. There we go. Great. Sorry, I know it's just a lot of me saying okay and alright, but I'm very stressed. Oh god. Right? Okay. It's not done yet. I like to think they make him get up twice because in the original, he got up once. After you think he's dead. Okay, here we go. Alright. Good girl, Sunday. Sunday's in play mode. Gotta fish this up quick. Okay, here we go. Yep, we jump over that. Then we do these three. This one spawns. Yeet. Alright. Alright, here we go. That didn't work. That didn't work at all. Oh my god, she didn't go to him. Because it's... I forgot. I forgot you have to throw it up if you want them to go to each other. Okay. So it'll have to be up. Alright. It's so stupid. I'm like on the last hit. I knew there was a wind thing that I was forgetting. It's those little purple clouds. I wonder if I cartwheel jump spin, if I would get over them. You know what I mean? That'll be my next tactic, I think. Right, doesn't wait, yep. There we go. That was really close. Right. I wish I could make compelling monkey noises. There we go. So I guess Donkey Kong is an ape. Eastward. Well, Dixie doesn't have a tail. Does that mean she's not a monkey? I don't know. Not again with the barrel, Dixie. Oh my god, dude. It's not that hard. Just jump on it. Oh. I hate that hitbox. Locked in. I'm locking it.